dosage calculations part 2, this is going to be a longer equation. So let's say the doctor ordered 100 milligrams of chocolate for your patient. Always start with what the doctor ordered, okay? What did he want? He wants to give 100 milligrams. Awesome. So what do you have in the Pyxis? Oh shoot, you only have these vials, and the vials are 25 milligrams for every 5 mLs. So you're like, what the heck? How many vials do I give? So what you're going to do is each vial is 5 milligrams. You see, we always put the opposite here so we can cross them out and figure out how many vials. So you multiply it out, it's going to be 500. 100 times 5 times 1. Blank times 25 times 5 is 125. You divide those two, you're going to get 4. You're going to give 4 vials that are 5 mLs, 25. You're going to get to 100. That's how you do it. Questions in the comments.